you want to buy a home but need to improve your credit score first? All right, so last week I talked all about the Bank of America home loan grant where credit is not a factor. And some people reached out and said, but I don't want to live in the big city. I want to move to the suburbs. What can I do? So today I want to tell you how to improve your credit score fast so that you can buy a home and get a good interest rate. Stay tuned. Thanks for returning back to the channel. Today, I'm going to get right to the point. We're going to talk about 5 steps to improving your credit score so that you can buy a home. All right. So step number 1, you want to know your credit. Stop avoiding the problem and get your free credit report every year from annualcreditreport.com. Now, annualcreditreport.com, you will be able to see your full credit profile. You want to comb through each and every item. You want to make sure there are no collections or nothing within the past 6 months that you could fix. And also you want to look out for any medical stuff because that should not be on your credit report. Medical items should not be on your credit report because of the HIPAA law. I believe this law went into effect within the last 24 months that they could no longer report medical situations on your credit report. So I'm going to put some resources in the description box below so that you could write the credit bureaus and get that removed if it's there. Step number 2, you want to monitor your credit. So after you get your annual credit report, you want to keep a close eye on your credit all the time. You want to watch your credit report just like you watch your bank account, okay? So I'm going to put a link below for a MyScore IQ. I like Identity IQ because you get identity theft protection and you get alerts anytime your credit is run. So you can start an account with MyScore IQ today and get all 3 credit bureaus, reports, and scores for just $1. Step 3, we got to pay down some debt. All right, so I know in the past, we've all heard to pay down your debt below 30%. But, you know, with me recently getting an advanced credit certification, I've learned that, you know, having your credit cards down to 30%, it just keeps you at a medium. It does nothing for you to improve your credit score. So what I recommend is get all debt as much as you can paid down below 10%, right? So the best way to handle this is tackle the lowest value credit card first and then go to the next and the next. Take care of one at a time, and before you know it, it'll all be paid off. Now, in addition to that, this is a big bonus right here. In addition to paying your credit cards down, another option you could do is start establishing business credit. And then when you do need a credit card, put it on your business credit card, not your personal. This way, it doesn't show and go against your debt to income ratio. Now, debt to income ratio is exactly what they look for when you go to qualify for a mortgage. So that's the reason keeping the debt below 10% is going to help increase your credit score and help you qualify for more homes. Now, if you're getting any value from this video so far, give me a thumbs up. It greatly supports the channel and it helps YouTube to share it with more people who might be seeking the information. All right, now, step number 4. Now that you've tackled some of the, lower credit cards that you have, what you want to start doing now is the credit cards that you are still using, you want to put them on auto pay. All right, now putting them on auto pay just helps you to better manage all of your credit cards. So if your minimum payment is $25, you know that you'll never miss a payment because it's on auto pay. But if you have extra money, then you just add an extra $50 or add an extra $100 to pay it down. Now, mind you, when you're paying this down and taking all these steps, guess what? Your credit profile is getting stronger and stronger. And here's another bonus too. If you are planning to buy a house, do not buy a car first. All right, always buy your home first. Once you get that mortgage, everything is going to be available to you. They will not say no to you getting a car. However, if you buy a car first, you might get declined for a mortgage because it will affect your debt to income ratio. Drum roll, we are down to number 1. All right, so the number 1 way to improve your credit score fast so that you can buy a house is report those rent payments. All right. Now, I have a partnership with Boom and with Rent Reporters. Now, what I like best about Boom is that they report to all 3 credit bureaus, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, right? You can self-report these payments. You don't need to call your landlord. They don't need to sign off on something for you. You report these payments yourself, and you can even backdate the payments up to 24 months. What do you think that's going to do to your credit score? Zoop! You're going to shoot right up. You're going to shoot right up to about 30 points. All right, that's it for today. I'm Katina Willis, and this is how to improve your credit score to buy a house. Now, if you missed that video about Bank of America's home grant program, check right here. It's going to be here or here. It's going to be here, okay? Check right there and make sure you watch that video. You could probably help a friend or family member or even yourself. All right. So a lot of cities are changing, and they have little nice little neighborhoods here and there that feel like the suburbs, right? So go ahead, check out this video and let me know your thoughts. I'm Katina Willis. I'll see you on the next video.